Hey guys, it's Carey here for Power Palace Gym. Just want to show off the latest piece of equipment that we've got in the gym, which is a T-bar landmine. This little attachment here we have on the squat rack, which is in the closest one to the Smith machine, really. It's the furthest away from the wall there. So T-bars, like we already had a bent over row station, okay, which kind of had a T-bar attachment on it, but it doesn't really go deep enough for you to do a lot of other types of T-bar exercises, also sometimes called landmine exercises, okay? So I got an actual landmine unit attached to the squat bar in here, and you can use it by simply attaching the power bar to the landmine, which is done just like this. Raise it down here, okay? And then put it in just like this, okay? Might want to move. Somebody's got one of these attachments over here. Okay, put these back over. Okay, now let's put a plate on here. Let's just start with a 45. No big deal. Okay, just for demoing purposes, I'll just put one plate on here, and I'll collar it, right? Okay, so now we have a T-bar all set up. Okay, so I've got the T-bar set up with a 45-pound plate for demonstration purposes, and just to kind of show, how to use it. So the standard T-bar row is to just step over it and pick it up and do a row with it, right? Do a row just like this. And that can actually be a little bit awkward depending on how short you are. I'm kind of short. So getting something like this and being a little bit more bent over like that helps a lot. This, by the way, is just the double D handle from the cable row machine. You can use it a lot. It's actually pretty versatile. You can use it for all kinds of exercises other than just cable row. In this case, you can use it for T-bar bent over rows, right? So you can also do a single arm row where you grab it, the end right here, and just pick it up and just focus on doing a bent over row. Okay. You can also do it with your right hand. Focus a little bit more on the rear delt this way. Okay. And of course, you can do other types of variations. Okay, you can do a kind of squat with it, right? Almost like a goblet squat. You can do thrusters. You can do all kinds of exercises. Okay. Using the landmine. So feel free to check it out. Just be careful, and definitely when you're done with it, just like everything else, re-rack your weights, right? Take the bar out. Don't leave it on the floor for somebody else to trip over. Same reason why you don't leave the plates on the ground, right? Okay guys, just want to show that off a little bit. See you in the next video.